intensity of longing for Allah exalted its heat so that their resolution fails and they perish or lose their strength.
This is Supreme Master TV 15770 on the little Chinese DSP receiver. And this is where it doesn't shine, is when you use the telescopic. I'm using only the telescopic right now. And when signals get a little weaker, you hear that the internal noise of the device is totally making it to the radio.
To enjoy the state of contemplation we have been discussing. This is why he said, the cooling of my eyes has been reposed in the prayer, salat. Angelic viewers, we appreciate your presence for today's Words of Wisdom. Coming up next is the Millennium
You can even see that when I press the buttons, there's a reaction. And depending on how you hold the radio, the internal noise of the device is definitely there. So as a portable receiver, using the telescopic, it's not going to be a great radio most of the time, especially for DXing. But it does work very well with the outdoor. You know, when I put the MLA30, it works fine.
If the government doesn't want people to eat meat anymore, then first they have to stop.